What's going on, camera enthusiasts? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best instant cameras in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these cameras, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to answer our daily question at the end of the video and leave your answer in the comment section for us. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video. Also, if you have any questions whatsoever about any of these products, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below the video and we'll respond as soon as we possibly can. And with that said, enjoy the slideshow. The first instant camera we're going to show you today is the Polaroid Originals OneStep 2. Next up, we've got the Fujifilm Instax Mini 9. The third instant camera we've got for you today is the Fujifilm Instax Mini 90 Neo Classic. Next up, we've got another one from Fujifilm. It's the Fujifilm Instax Wide 300. Last but not least, we've got the Leica Sofort Instant Film Camera. Alright, camera enthusiasts. So, now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comments section which instant camera you ended up liking the best. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in.